Instructions for the Rainbird E-6C. The Rainbird E-6C sprinkling timer controls the watering habits of your sprinkling system automatically. The timer features 3 preset options and a custom option to satisfy your watering needs for any time or day. Once you've installed your sprinklers and timer, you might have questions about how to set up your timer. Check to ensure your timer operates correctly before leaving your residence for an extended period, lest your green grass and plants perish from lack of water. Time and date settings. Twist the programming dial located on the right side of the timer to date/time to begin setting the date. You will see 1998 appear in the display located to the left of the timer. Press the up or down button located to the left of the programming dial to bring the year current between 1998 and 2098. Press the enter button located in the center of the timer at the bottom. You will see the month and day as 0101. The first 01, which represents the month, will be flashing, and a cursor will appear. Push the up or down button to cycle through the 12 months. Push enter, and you will see the second 01 begin to flash with the cursor under set day. Push the up or down button to bring the day current, choose 1 through 31, then press enter. Preset scheduling. Twist the programming dial to preset schedules to select a programmed schedule for your sprinklers. You will see the first preset option appear in the display. Press the up or down button to cycle through the 3 presets. Select 5 pre1 to water every station every day for 5 minutes at 6 a.m., 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. Select 10 pre2 to water every station every day for 10 minutes at 6 a.m. Select 10 pre3 to water every station every third day for 10 minutes at 6 a.m. Press the program button to select program letter A, B or C. Push enter to save your settings. Watering days. Twist the programming dial to day cycle, and press the up or down button to select 7-day, which waters every week on the days of your choosing. Twist the programming dial to water day to begin setting your 7-day watering cycle. The numbers 1 through 7 will appear on the display representing the 7 days of the week with the 1 spot flashing. Press the up or down button to turn a water day on or off. The Rainbird indicates on with a box around the day. Press enter to save the setting for the current day, and move to the next day until you have adjusted all the days to your liking.